In this video, we will Dyson WashG1 Wet Floor Cleaner. It removes both dry and damp dirt at once. Use pure water all the way through. Effectively removes hair, spills, dirt, and stubborn dried-on stains from all types of hard floors. Keeps you off the dirt by automatically separating dry and wet trash into different containers for hygienic disposal. The self-cleaning cycle prevents filth and particle buildup by automatically flushing the unit after use. It includes the dual motorized microfiber rollers rotate counter-rotatingly to effectively remove both dry and wet dirt at the same time. The rollers remove the dirt with each turn before soaking uniformly and thoroughly washing with clean water. Simple to maneuver, allowing for swift direction changes. Its low-profile design facilitates accessibility to difficult-to-reach areas. In order to clean the system while the machine charges on the dock, you can set the self-clean cycle. It's prepared for your next clean in as little as 140 seconds. For quick stain removal, Dyson's motorized rollers are designed to agitate stains twice with each pass. While extraction plates remove moisture, secondary brush bars with nylon bristles remove big particles and hair from the rollers. The waste liquid is poured into a separate dirty water tank, and the debris gathers in a removable tray. The dirty water tank is filled with the waste liquid. It's simple to take out the tank and empty its contents for a clean, no-touch disposal. Debris and dirt gather in a removable, fast-releasing tray for clean, touchless disposal right into your trash can. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.